Making a final video of the underneath of the car. It's all been Emroned, has all been sandblasted. No rust, nothing. Everything done from the ground up. All been painted. I taped these holes because I'm going to be painting the inside of the trunk same color as the outside. So today, coming off the rotisserie, everything has been addressed, even in here. Sometimes these cars rust in here and they rust in here. Everything's been addressed. All wheel wells, all painted with the Emron. Taking some pictures. And video at the same time. I put my casters on. Torque boxes.